Do you remember Shiba Inu? Yes, the one that has its face on Elon Musk's cryptochild Dogecoin. Well, it has its own cryptocurrency now, and it's ruling on the internet like a king. And it's pretty clear that Dogecoin was not the last meme-based currency at all. Built by Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, Shiba Inu is the popular and highest-growing cryptocurrency among the top 100 coins in terms of market capitalization. This popular cryptocurrency is popularly known as an alternative of Dogecoin because of 1,970% returns in the past 7 days. Yes, you heard it right. Shiba Inu is shining like a star in the world of cryptocurrency, and it should come as no surprise why this should be your next coin for your worthy investment in commonly introduced cryptocurrencies. So, will this Chinese-based cryptocurrency replace the latest popular currency, Dogecoin, or will it be something else? Let's find out in this video. Hello guys, this is Connor from TechLocker, and today in this video, we'll look at Shiba Inu will replace the meme-based currency Dogecoin. Hey wait! Before starting our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. So let's get started. Known as the Dogecoin killer, Shiba Inu has taken a massive jump in the world of cryptocurrency. This small and popular crypto has been shining due to two major reasons. Recently, the Tesla and SpaceX founder Elon Musk said that he wants to own a ship that in turn excited the entire crypto market, and the prices went up at a massive trend of 300%. That's why it's easy to see why many people want to buy SHIBs quickly. Later on, it fell down by around 40% after the Ethereum founder and Russian billionaire Vitalik Buterin donated his 50 trillion coins to Indian entrepreneur Sandy Patil to India as a COVID relief fund. Shiba Inu is an experiment in decentralized community building that allows several users to own billions or trillions of the cryptocurrency. This decentralized cryptocurrency was created in past August 2020 by an unknown person called as Ryoshi, as no one knows the secret behind the anonymous man creating a cryptocurrency, as Shiba Inu is named after a breed of hunting dog, especially from Japan. This cryptocurrency has quickly gained worldwide attention, in part because of the rising popularity of Dogecoin. And this is because of their comparatively lesser value. The value of Shiba Inu is currently sitting at $0.00000163 compared to a lower $0.00000006 in mid-April, according to CoinMarketCap. It's the market cap of this new popular coin which is gaining a lot of eyeballs among the crypto users. Shiba Inu is valued at a market capitalization of $13 billion. In comparison, the market capitalization of Dogecoin is a massive $61 billion, which is fourth largest cryptocurrency in the world. The latter capitalization surged up to $90 billion, but has fallen quickly after Doge father Elon Musk's Saturday Night Live appearance. One primary difference between the two currencies is that while Dogecoin is just a crypto coin and Shiba Inu is a token. The difference between the two is that cryptocurrencies have their own blockchains, whereas crypto tokens are built on an existing blockchain. Shiba Inu coin is sold as SHIB tokens. As mentioned before, it is based on Ethereum, and at this moment, Ethereum's founder, Vitalik Buterin, seems to be the largest and biggest beneficiary in the rise of Shiba Inu coin. When the price went up high and touched the sky, Shiba Inu has contributed a whopping $11 billion to his net worth. Buterin now holds over 505 billion SHIB tokens, representing 50% of its total supply. Interestingly, he didn't even buy them. Sounds cool, right? This man even got Shiba Inu as part of a giveaway from Shiba Inu's creators. This was precisely done to remove them from ongoing circulation and create an element of scarcity for the tokens. The Shiba Inu founder also said in his company's white paper that we sent over 50% of the total supply to Vitalik. There is no greatness without a vulnerable point, and as long as VB doesn't rug us, then Shiba will grow and survive. However, several users revealed that they're cryptocurrency tokens that allow multiple users to hold trillions of tokens without any trouble. This is where the SHIB founder doesn't want to stop at all. Some people might be shocked to see the long-term goals of SHIB, While it does looking to replace Bitcoin entirely, it has several multiple projects lined. The creators are looking to launch a Shiba Inu bone, which will come as another token coin after SHIB coin, and it is said that it will take the power of decentralized exchange to the whole new level. While Dogecoin has been liked by all the users in the world simply because of Elon Musk, the newly coined Shiba went from 0 to 100 in the minds of users and surged the ladder of cryptocurrency market to become the world's largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $12 billion this week. Several people have made a smaller invested and carried out millions of dollars just with Shiba Inu coin. Luckily, if you've put some dollars from your pocket right into this coin, at this time you would have been counting dollars. Pretty amazing, right? However, what Shiba did was a massive trick that shook the entire world. Despite of several claims saying that it is different from others, Shiba Inu is an amazing example to showcase the world. Several people invested in Dogecoin when this meme-based currency turned into a hot topic in the cryptocurrency market. And that's why Elon Musk announced his appearance on the 8th of May at Saturday Night Live show, where he hosted the entire show. The fans of Dogecoin was pretty interested and excited to see the Elon Musk coin to reach $1. Unfortunately, their hopes didn't pan out as much as they were expecting from Dogecoin. During the show, the price of Dogecoin dropped massively. That left all the users in big trouble. Doge fans were lost at that time and was hoping to invest in a new coin where they can all earn a reputable profit. On the very next day, the challenger of Dogecoin tweeted to Elon Musk, "Retweet till all crypto community hear the #woof, #woof woof." After this tweet, several fans gained a new hope and interest in this exciting coin. Perhaps those who never heard this token decided to invest in it and give it a shot. Several other big forums were mad about its potential for bigger earnings. In fact, Facebook and Reddit also shared several stories of substantial price spikes from this cryptocurrency. With this, you can assume how this recently introduced coin can make a significant impact on Dogecoin, and there might be a chance that Shiba Inu will replace Dogecoin in the future. Dogecoin has been on the internet ruling the cryptocurrency in 2021 as it's gained tremendous attention among many crypto users. However, according to some crypto experts, the new Shiba Inu has surged upwards in recent days and it's continuing to grow better. The token running on the Ethereum network is rapidly making a significant wave and calling itself as an alternative of Dogecoin. Perhaps we all know that Dogecoin has grabbed the center of attention in the beginning of 2021, which started as a joke and became the fourth largest cryptocurrency in the world. Now, only users will know whether this coin will turn out to be a safer investment or will it fall down. The Shiba Inu coin chart overshadowed all other altcoins last week as it soared through the roof, gaining 1,600% in the 7 days leading to May 14. Following the massive spike, two major exchanges took quick action and listed Shiba Inu coins, in which industry leader Binance was one of them. As soon as Binance listed the coin on its coveted platform, the price doubled and the SHIB market cap rose to $12,485,110,719, or £8.7 billion. Shiba Inu's reputation has been soaring as a result of the recent notoriety and excitement around Dogecoin. It totally ripped off from Dogecoin's popularity, but it will become popular in the future, or will Shiba Inu reach to $1 and replace Dogecoin to become the next popular cryptocurrency in the market? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and we will be happy to hear from you. And if you are a fan of our videos, then be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for spending your quality time with us.